Whew, what's up, beloveds? Good morning. So, let me just mention a little something. Okay. Because there's some people that's confused, right? On how, there's people from your past, right? They're confused on how their spot was given to another, okay? This person thought that because they were supposed to have a divine union with you, right? That they could lollygag and, do all type of nonsense, right? And not do the work and still be able to go with you, right? No. No, 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 no. I don't know. People always look, when they look at stuff, they always look at it from a selfish standpoint, right? Like somebody thought that you would be held back because they decided not to, do the work or answer the call, right? That is not how things operate. If there is a call and you don't answer it, your spot gets taken from you and given to another. Yeah, your spot gets taken from you and given to another. Okay? When God sends out the call and you don't answer it, you don't do the work that is required to elevate, right, to grow, then you're not going. You're going to be left behind. And that's just, it's simple. It's not hard to understand. Very simple. And there's some people from your past, right? And for those of you I'm speaking to, these are exes, okay? That thought that they can hold you up by playing. Now they're sitting there. Now they're sitting there wanting to run after you or chase after you. They can't. They can't. They're literally blocked off, literally. And somebody's coming into your energy, or your energy field is already linked with each other. You're new divine masculine or divine feminine, right? So these people have to keep repeating karmic cycles with the people either they chose over you or, just karmic people. And that's just what it is. Like, I don't know how you play with an opportunity from the Most High. From the Most High, you play with that opportunity like he can't change some things. You know what I'm saying? Like, who are you? Who are you? Like, for real, who are you? To think that you can't be replaced. You know? So, just wanted to state that for some, okay? Because some people out here beside themselves, I'm just saying, like, dang. You didn't do the work, so you can't go. You can't go because you didn't do the work. But I'll holler at y'all, beloved. I'm gonna get out these last readings for the day. And yeah. Oh, I'm hosting a live tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. my time, West Coast time. So I don't know what time that is where you're at, but it's either 3 hours ahead, 3 hours behind, 2 hours ahead, 2 hours behind, unless you are overseas or something, right? But it should be posted so you guys can see it and tune into the live, right? I'm gonna do some just some live messages, right? Pull on whoever energy is in the collective, and we can sit there and conversate as well and chop it up, visit with each other. So I look forward to seeing y'all. Okay, I really do. Have some laughs and some, things. All right, all right. I'll see y'all in a minute. Let me get ready, get in the shower, and get put together. All right, all right.